See again back. Okay, what I said that again, if you want to use the element selector, directly write the whatever the element you want. Okay, if you want to use to the id selector, start from to the hash. If you want to be a start with to the class selector, start from to the dot. Okay, so I want to be select to the class right now, so I'm using to the dot. Now after that, what I want to do, I want to write what is my class name. So software engineering, my class name SC in the capital letter, then after curly bracket open, curly bracket close. Another also I have, that is called dot IMS. Okay, bracket open, bracket close, and then I will be going to write the properties inside. So I can say first property, I want to write to the background color red for to the software engineering group, and the IMS purpose I want to add to the color, that is called a yellow. Yellow now I send that blue, right? So let me add to the blue. Control S shift. You can check that at a one time, two headings are the red and two headings are the blue. See, every selector are important. Maybe when you are the beginner, that time the selectors are not that much of useful. But if you are working any big project, that time if you have the proper knowledge, if you know the concept, then only you can able to survive. Or else it is really hard. We are thinking CSS is very easy, but let me clear that even 1 year is not enough to the understand CSS. Okay, let's go. Then after this one, we will going to learn to the fourth one, universal selector. Number 4 selector, what is that? Universal selector. What is the meaning of universal selector? Every element will be selected, anything whatever you have. Okay, now think about that. You can check that over here. If I want to apply the background color for my full content, background color full, see, it is not possible unless and until you will be not taking to their body, isn't it? But I want something, one property should be apply for my whole tags, whatever I have. Universally, I want to select to the thing. So that purpose, let me clear that. Let me remove this thing, class also. Okay, so let's see over here. Suppose my tags are the different over here. Suppose I have the p tag. Okay, over here I have the underline ul tag. Over here I have the I can say which tag, b tag, bold tag. Okay, these tags we have. Control S saved. You can check to the output. Okay, different tag we have. Right now think about that. If I want to give to the same something styling, I want whatever the letters I have, I want to be a same type of size for everyone. Because see, h1 is the different, this one is a different, other also be different. Or the not think about the size, think about that you want a same color in your all tags. Right now is by default is a black, but think about that. If I want to give to the everyone color as the same, then again I want to add to the class everywhere. I want to make a 4 thing as a group, isn't it? But I know that if I want to be select all at a one time every element, so why I don't want to use to the that is the element. I want to write the element one by one. Then if I were using id, I want to give every purpose as id. If I want to use the class, then again I want to be give to the class for each purpose. So if you want to apply for your full page, or we can say full tag purpose, whatever we have, so we are using a universal selector. Universal selector are going to start with a star. Okay, universal selector are going to start with the star, and then directly it will be appearing your curly bracket open and curly bracket close. That is, we can say as a declaration. Okay, so let me write I want a color should be red for everything. See, right now everything is red, means right now it's not mattering whatever you have to the color you have, isn't it? Okay, whatever the tags you have. Now after this selector, for selector, there are next selector we have, that is called grouping selector. Number 5th, a grouping selector. What is the meaning of grouping selector? Sir, it is a look like a class wise. No guys, it's not. It is little bit class wise, but we are not creating class. We will use to the comma and give to the same property for your selector purpose. Right now, suppose I have h1, p and u. So what I want to do, I want to h1 and p tag purpose, I want to make one group, and u and b purpose, I want to make one group. So what I can do, I can remove these things and I can add to the one selector, that is called, we are starting with this grouping with your element wise only. Like suppose I have to the h1 comma, I have to the p tag, I want to apply to the same property, and then another one I want to be used to the that is called u tag, and comma you have to the p tag, and over here the declaration I want to give to the property. Color is I want to say to the red, and again I have to the ub, that purpose I want to give to the color. Okay, color will be suppose blue. I'm using common color because it's look very dark and we can understand to the thing easily. Did you get it? So this is, we are selecting via group wise, but it is we are selecting h1p, h1p, h1p. Means if you want to select only the h1 and p, how many h1 are there? That all h1 will be taking to the same color, isn't it? See, h1, h1p, all at a time these three will be the red, isn't it? And even if you have to the extra b also, this also will be designed because you already said that I want to make a group u and b, but that class group and this group is totally different. I know it's little bit right now becoming to the harder, but you can see the video and watch to the thing and you can understand. Okay, Control S save. Over here you can check that the groupings are done. We just complete our fifth one, that is called grouping selector. Now we will going to learn to the child selector. Right now, what is a child selector? Let me write to the number 6, child selector. Child means what? Suppose you have to the parent something. Okay, parent something we have. Suppose I have to the A. A is the parent. Okay, and I have the inside one another tag, that is we can say as a B. So B is the child. So we can use to the using by A, we can color to the your B. Okay, let's do that also. Let me give to the one example which one you are familiar little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do over here, let me remove to the thing. Okay, let me remove to the this thing also. Right now it's my plain text, okay, or my HTML only. Now what I'm doing, I will be going to create over here one unordered list. Okay, and I will be create inside of to the different items. Okay, list of item, list of item, and over here again I will be going to create the list of item. Okay, now I'm going over here, I'm writing over here mango. Okay, then banana, banana. Okay, then again kiwi, kiwi is one fruit. Okay, so these fruits I have. Now you can check over here mango, banana and kiwi. Right now I want to be a select using by ul tag. Okay, ul tag, and ul tag inside I have to the list of items, isn't it? So I want to select, I want to color this whole list using by ul. So it will be how possible. Let's now think about that. If you use to the ul tag open, ul tag close, bracket open, if I want to use to the color, and if you say over here blue color, now check what thing will be happen. Is it blue? Right? So but this is the way, it's not the right way. What happened? We have the one tag is there ul, and inside we have to the which tag li. Did I select the li? Still it is color, right? Why it's color? Because of the reason ul tag is the base on your li tag, isn't it? Means it's a part of that. But if I don't want to be, if I don't know, if I want to be a color, this is not the official way. Then what we need to do, we need to use to the your that is called child tag. Right now let me show you how. Like we can say that we can starting only with your, you can check, we can starting only with the element selector like this. So I want to write over here ul, that is the element. Then I want to say that ul is the greater means what? It is the parent, and the child, which one I can say list of item I have, and then inside of the bracket I want to apply to the color, that is called maybe yellow. So this is the right way we have to color this thing. Sir, can you just give to the another example? Now